very good morning to the students of class 5. I hope you all are fine at your home. Children, today we will do some question given in page number 35. Measure stamps. Okay. So children, you can see here in a square grid there are how many stamps? Are you seeing, children? Total 6 stamps are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Children, do you know what is stamp? A stamp is a small piece of paper issued by a post office. Previously, phone or mobile was not available. That time people used to communicate through the letter. So they paste stamps on letters. Then after, postman delivers the letters to their destination. Okay. So here you can see most of the children have seen these stamps. Okay. So here is given some question. Look at these interesting stamps. The question is, how many squares of centimeters of 1 centimeter side does stamp cover? So children, here is written the name stamp A, stamp B, stamp C, D, stamp E and stamp F. So here first we have to find out the area of all stamps. Okay, so let's start. So children, I have drawn all 6 stamps in maths notebook. Okay, so easily you can count the square made up of that rectangle made up of squares. So we can easily count all squares. Okay, so children, how can we find area? Children, you can see here this stamp is made up of some squares of 1 centimeter side. If you measure each sides of a square, it will be 1 centimeter. So first we count number of square. So whatever number of squares covered this rectangle, that is the area of rectangle. Okay, so we can say that is the area of that stamps. So let's start to count stamp A. 1 square, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So here how many squares are there in this stamp? 18 squares. So I have written here 18 squares. So we can say the area of this stamp is 18 square centimeter. Why we will write here centimeter? Because this is the unit of area. Okay. So it is covered by 18 square. Let's count the stamp B. So how much squares are there in stamp B? So let's start to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have written here 8 squares. Okay. So the area of stamp B is 8 square centimeter. Right. Similarly, look at the stamp C. Where is stamp C? Is here. Okay. If you will count all squares of 1 centimeter side, you will get 6 squares. So I have written here 6 square. Okay. Same way, look at the stamp D and let's see how many squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So it is covered by 12 squares. Okay. Here you can see in stamp E, here is only 4 squares. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this easily you can see stamp E is smallest. Okay, so the area of a stamp is 4 square centimeter. Now let's see the last stamp, that is stamp F. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the area of stamp F is 12 square centimeter because it is covered by 12 squares. Okay, so children, already we found all area of all stamps. Okay, now let's come to the question. What is question? So children, here we read the question. Question A. How many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp A cover? So children, all these questions I have written in notebook. So you can see here question, how many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp A cover? So here I have written, where is stamp A, children? Stamp A is here. So how many squares? 18 squares. So what will be answer? Stamp A covers 18 squares of 1 centimeter side. Okay. And stamp B covers 8 square of 1 centimeter side. Right. So we will write answer here 18 squares and here we will write answer only 8 squares. Okay. Now you can see the question B. Which stamp has the biggest area? That means largest area. So let's check. Here all 6 stamps are given and we have to see which stamp has the biggest area. Children, can you tell me? Which stamp? Yes, stamp A has the biggest area because it has how many stamps? How many squares? 18 squares. Okay. So the answer is stamp A has the biggest area. Okay. Let's read the next question. How many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? So we will write here 18 squares. Okay. So the answer is 18 squares. So we will write here 18 squares. Right. Next question. How much is the area of the biggest stamp? Children, here I have written 18 squares because stamp A covered by 18 squares. Okay. But here is asking area. How much is the area of the biggest stamp? Okay. So we know that area is the space occupied by a stamp, and we have seen that the space occupied by the biggest stamp, that is stamp A, is 18. So and unit of area is square centimeter. So answer is 18 square centimeter. Okay. Next question, that is question C. Which two stamps have the same area? So again we see all stamps in square grid, and here we have to find which two stamps have the same area. So look at here, children. Can you tell me which stamp? Just think here. So children, stamp D and stamp F have the same area because it is covered by 12 squares. You can see here. Also here is 12 square, and also in stamp has 12 square. So we can say stamp D and stamp F have the same area. Okay. So children, I have written here answer. Now let's read next question. How much is the area of each of these stamps? So easily we can say how much? 12 square centimeter. Okay, that is the area of stamp D and stamp F. Okay, now let's see the last question, that is question D. The area of the smallest stamp is, so let's see which is the smallest stamp. Look at here, children. Children, if you observe carefully, stamp E, the smallest stamp is stamp E, which has the area of only 4 square centimeter. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So what we write, children, here? We will write here 4 square centimeter. The difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp is, so here first we should know smallest stamp is stamp E. We have already written how much area, 4 square centimeter. Okay, and biggest stamp is, let's see which stamp is biggest. We will see in square grid. Yes, which stamp? Biggest stamp is stamp A. The area, the biggest stamp is stamp A, which has the area of 18 square centimeter. So we will write here biggest stamp is stamp A is equal to 18 square centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find out its difference. So what is the difference between them? What we write? 18 square centimeter minus 4 square centimeter. So when we subtract 4 from 18, we get 14 square centimeter. So here what we write? We will write the difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp is 14 square centimeter. So children, we have already completed all the questions. We have written the answer of all questions. So children, also you will write all the questions with answer in your notebook as well as in your textbook, and try to draw all stamps like that in your notebook. Clear? Thank you.